Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing the dash. Wipe with a microfiber and a 50/50 water and isopropyl mix so the spray bonds, not beads. Once done, test the product on a hidden seam to confirm color and finish, then shake the can for 30 to 60 seconds to emulsify ingredients. You should hold the nozzle 8 to 12 inches from the surface and make a light first pass. This first thin coat prevents runs and builds an even base for the rest. You now build the finish with patience. Apply 2 to 3 light passes, waiting 10 to 15 seconds between each so solvents flash off and layers bond. Make sure to overlap roughly 50% on each pass to eliminate striping and produce uniform color. Move the can steadily across curves and seams, keeping your motion parallel to the panel contours so pooling doesn't occur. If you see a heavy spot, back off and feather with another light pass. You finish by letting the last coat set. Allow 15 to 30 minutes before any light contact, and plan on a full 24-hour cure for maximum durability. If a slight tack appears after about 10 to 15 minutes, gently blot with a dry microfiber rather than rubbing to avoid marring the texture. Make sure to inspect for runs or high-gloss spots. If problems persist, sand lightly with 800 to 1000 grit, clean again, and reapply a thin corrective coat to restore an even matte or satin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.